Okay, so hello. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to navigate the application ClassIn. So going to open. Okay, so you need to follow this video so that you'll be guided on how to navigate and how to use those icons in this application. Now, I need to log in first. Okay, so here, this is what it looks like inside the ClassIn application. So here, as you can see, may makikita kayong mga time here. So this is my time schedule. So later on, I have a class today at 6:30 p.m. So if it is already 6:30, so there is na siya ma-appear din nga enter. So which is danha jud ka ma-enter if for example, if you're going to have a class. So 5 minutes before 6:30, since my class will start at 6:30, so 5 minutes before 6:30, so na siya magawas nga enter din he, mag-blue, mag-green na siya. And then at the same time, mo na siya i-click kung it's 6:30 na. So this is how it looks like inside the classroom. So you need to enter here ha. So this is the example lamang siya. So this is like for demo use only, for practicing use only. So this is how it looks like inside the classroom. So as you can see here, so na ay two boxes there. So I already i-plaster na ko siya daan. So here, this is your camera here. If musulod na ka sa classroom, enter nimo sa classroom is this is how it looks like. So this is here is your camera and your student's camera. So inana ang plaster. So I'm going to teach you on how to use these icons here on my right. Okay? So isa-isa ho nato na sila. So first is this is pang-click lang na siya. So if you're going to click something, for example, sa book na siya mga i-click-click nga mga audio, so you can click the first icon with your mouse. Use your mouse, click the first icon, and then you can click what do you call this on the audio, kung na ay audio ang imuha nga book. And at the same time, the second one, the second icon is for dragging. So you can use the second icon when you're going to drag a photo. Okay, for example, nakagi-paste nga photo or picture din sa board, or maybe you will write something on the board. So you use the second icon to drag. For example, I'm going to highlight this one, highlight the word drag, and then here you can drag that word bisan asa. So the second icon is for dragging. You can drag pictures, words, or sentences that you are going to type on the screen. The next here is the pen. The third one. The third one is, wait a minute, irugsan ako na sila gamay. Okay, so the third one is the pen. So, kani siya nga pen, as you can see, naa siya three options. So, naa siya level kung unsa ka dak-a, kung dani, gamay kaayo siya. As you can see, the second one and the third one, it is the level of kanang tawag ani sa imong pen, unsa ka bag-a nga pen imong gusto. So, I usually use the second one here. Usually use the second one. So, ano siya. So, the anhi, as you can see, kani siya is for sulat. The second one, kana is for line. If you're making straight lines, kana panghimo na siyang straight line. So, isa unsa pa na siya dala straight line na siya. So, the third one is circle. You can, for example, if you want to circle something, you can use that one, circle. And the third one is boxes lang siya, making boxes. Okay? So, as you can see here, the fourth icon is our eraser. That one is the eraser. Okay? That is our eraser. Now, eraser can only erase the first, only the pen. Kani bitang pangsulat. Kana siya, mura na siya ma-erase atong eraser. As you can see, look at that one. Di ma-erase to mga circle and squares and sa panadanha. Dili siya ma-erase. So all you have to do is to use the second icon. Second icon, which is the drag, the kanang pang drag nga icon. So imo na siyang i-highlight. Long press your mouse, long press, and then i-highlight na ang gusto nimong i-erase. For example, kana. So, na-highlight na mo siya, then, mugawas na siyang erase din na siya ka ng trash bin din So, click that one, then boom, nawala sila. Okay? And then another, you can also click that. If you don't want to drag, just click it and then erase. Okay? So, mo na siya. So, kani, ang third icon is the pen, pagsulat-sulat. Okay? And also, the fourth icon is the eraser. Napoy level ni siya eraser na igamay kanim. First level niya is gamay kaayo kit kaayo. The second one is igo-igo lang. And the third one is dako na siya. So maka-erase na ka. For example, if you're going to erase. For example, here, nagsulat-sulat ko dani. So I'm going to use the largest eraser. So then na mo na siya. Okay? So balik ta sa pen. And then, the next one, the fifth icon is text. Meaning, you can use that one to write something on screen. For example, um, hi, I am, okay, I am teacher Lisa. Okay, for example, kana siya. Okay, so for example, I am teacher Lisa. So, mo na siya. So, kani siyang text is na siya level pod. Kung mo na siyang i-click, click na ang mo ang text. I-click na nimo, mugawas gyapon ni siya danhi. Pwede gyapon siya sa text, mugawas gyapon siya danhi sa text. Naa siya level kung unsa kadak-a nga text ang imong gusto. So for example, kani siya. So nasulatan nato na hi, I am teacher Lisa. So pili ka unsay level sa kadak-a nga font size imuhang nga gusto. Okay, so gusto ka mabasag maayo sa mga estudyante, 48, it is already okay. Gusto mo kang mas dako-dako, okay, so 64. So, tani po siya is, pwede ka maka-change of color. You can change the color of your text. Depende nimo. You want to erase? Okay, just click the text and then delete. Okay? So, mo na siya sa na kayo. And next one is, the sixth icon is screenshot. Okay, so for example, if you're going to screenshot some photos on the Google, for example, mag-search mo og kanang mag-search mo while you're having class, mag-search mo sa Google, pwede mo maka-open sa Google ana. Pwede mo maka-open sa Google, search mo og animal um, dog picture. Okay, for example, kana siya, okay, kani siya. Pwede gyapon ni siya i-copy. All you have to do is that na siya two ways. For example, right click and then copy image, then balik ka sa class in. Ibalik mo sa class in, pwede nimo gamiton ang kani chat. Pwede mo gamiton ang chat. Chat is this is the way to communicate your student. For example, na imong student nga di siya kasabot a word or maybe a sentence, so i-type nimo na. I-type nimo nga what is your name? For example, your student cannot understand kay ano beginner pa kaayo, so she or he can't understand what is your name. So imo na siyang i-type na. And then kung ilahan na siyang itislok na siya translation, na siya Chinese translation. So that is the way that you can communicate your student. So for example, since nag-copy man to og picture ni right click nato then copy, pwede na to siya i-paste sa chat. Right click and then paste. Ana. Tapos, pwede naman siya i-click. For example, na-i-plus doon punta din siya sa blackboard. Then, so drag naman na niya. This is a dog. Ana. And, ang sunod nga way is katang screenshot. Yes, this one. Kaning mura gunting. Screenshot na siya. So, click screenshot. Okay. Okay. So, ang kaning screenshot is magamit lang nimo siya og nakasulod sa classroom. Okay, magamit na nimo siya og naa ka sa sulod sa classroom. For example, if you're going to screenshot something sa imong book is maybe the picture is really small, so you can use screenshot. For example, I'm going to screenshot myself, ana. Click, then ara dayon mo automatic siya ato sa classroom. Okay? So those are the basic. Okay, the basic lang. So, ang pinaka-importante is kani bitang murag cloud. That is the most important icon. That is the drive. So it means that naka-built in tanan imong mga textbooks, imong mga lesson materials. So for example, if you're going to click that one, so kung makasulod na ka, kani sa my resources is na siya mga built-in nga mga lessons, okay? Na siya mga built-in nga mga lessons nga. Pwede na lang nimo i-click na lang nimo siya. For example, si Mommy kay mayon siya, "Teacher, do you have a Oxford Discover 4?" Okay, so ato di ka sa my resources, then click all files, and then paitaon nimo, okay, Oxford Discover. Click mo na Oxford Discover, and then na 1, 2, 3, and 4. Since nangita si Mami Oxford Discover 4, click mo na, and then this is the book. These are the audio. The first file are the audios, and then the second one is the book. So click mo na siya, bang, mo appear din siya dinhi sa imuhang book. So imo na siyang i-drag, drag on na nimo siya. Ana, start na nga sa imong lesson. Wala mo to. So for example, here